that's going to be a loud boom.
You said it. Yep.
Sounds like thunder almost. Whoa, did you see that one just
Uh-huh.
fireworks are I
Amazing.
think the most amazing thing in the world.
No,
What is?
maybe.
I wonder how they make smiley face ones. Do you know, Granddaddy? Booms to my ear holes. Get it?
Thunder to my ear holes.
How about explosions to my ear holes? Nah. Woo!
God bless America. We are some pretty awesome people.
I love fireworks. Oh, now this is gonna be loud.
Not necessarily.
Look at those at the bottom. That's amazing.
Yeah.
It would be funny if a firework exploded and it was Captain America. That'd be funny.
Yep. God bless Captain America.
Woo! No, that was big.
Spaceship.
Oh, look at those. That's pretty neat.
Yeah, that looks like a swarm of gnats.
Yeah.
Whoa.